Hello guys, this is Onlybestones, and in this video I will talk about the what to look before buying a microwaves and top 3 best options available. So let's get started. Selecting the right microwave involves key considerations for a convenient cooking experience. Begin by assessing the microwave size and available space in your kitchen. Opt for a size that accommodates your cooking needs while fitting the available counter space. Microwave power, measured in watts, directly influences cooking speed. Higher wattage translates to faster cooking. Next, explore the available features such as presets, defrost options, and sensor cooking for added convenience. Interior capacity matters too. Ensure the microwave can hold your typical dish sizes comfortably. Turntable or turntable-free designs affect how evenly food is heated, so choose according to your preferences. Lastly, consider the microwave's design and user interface. Easy-to-use controls and a clear display enhance user experience. By evaluating size, power, features, capacity, and design, you'll make an informed decision when purchasing a microwave for your kitchen. Top recommendation for best microwaves. On number 3, Breville Countertop. The Breville Compact Wave is an attractive kitchen appliance that aligns well with modern aesthetics. While user-friendly and effective for frozen foods, its performance in our comprehensive microwave testing was underwhelming. Defrosting and heating outcomes fell short, leading us to recommend numerous other alternatives over this model. On number 2, TOSHIBA 3-in-1. The TOSHIBA microwave offers a budget-friendly option with mid-range pricing. It's not ultra-high-end but provides reliable performance. It's especially appealing to those interested in smart technology, featuring sensors that ensure accurate cooking and defrosting with its pre-programmed settings. On number 1, Panasonic Microwave Oven. The NNSN686S Panasonic Microwave 1200W utilizes inverter technology for even heating, reducing energy consumption and cooking time. It features sensor cooking, making meal preparation easy for all skill levels. Additionally, it offers a child safety lock. On the downside, it comes with a short 1-year warranty. Guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.